Hey there, grill masters and BBQ enthusiasts! Are you tired of settling for mediocre meals on subpar grills? Well, fear not, because we've got the scoop on the best gas grills that will take your outdoor cooking game to the next level. From sizzling steaks to perfectly charred veggies, these bad boys are sure to make you the envy of the neighborhood. So grab your apron and fire up the grill, because it's time to show those burgers who's boss. Get ready for a sizzling good time with the best gas grills in town. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpick.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Weber Spirit 2 E210. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly gas grill, the Weber Spirit 2 E210 is the perfect choice for you. This compact grill may be smaller in size, but it packs a powerful punch when it comes to performance. The porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates on the E210 provide excellent heat retention and distribution, ensuring that your food cooks evenly every time. The fold-down side table is a convenient feature that allows you to have extra space when you need it and tucks away neatly when you don't. Plus, the built-in lid thermometer takes the guesswork out of grilling, so you can cook with confidence. One of the standout features of the E210 is the GS4 grilling system, which delivers consistent, reliable heat for perfect results every time. And with the iGrill 3 compatibility, you can take your grilling game to the next level with smartphone connectivity. While the cooking area on the E210 is slightly smaller than some other models, it's still plenty of space for most grilling tasks, and although it may not be ideal for indirect cooking larger items like whole chickens, it excels at grilling foods that benefit from intense direct heat. For anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of gas grilling without breaking the bank, the Weber Spirit 2 E210 is an excellent choice. So why not elevate your outdoor cooking game and give it a try today? Number 4. Royal Gourmet GA5403B. The Royal Gourmet GA5403B gas grill stands out from the crowd with its powerful performance and versatile cooking options. The spacious cooking space, including porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, allows you to cook up to 18 hamburgers at once. The sear burner, rear burner, and side burner offer a total of 74,000 BTUs, giving you precise control over the heat for searing, roasting, or slow cooking. The rotisserie kit with motor adds even more cooking options, allowing you to slow roast a whole chicken for juicy, tender results. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable grease tray and cup, reducing the risk of flare-ups. The side table provides ample workspace, while the electronic igniter and integrated gauge make it easy to start up and monitor the grill. One of the standout features of this grill is the dual power option for the rotisserie kit, allowing you to use either an electric motor or batteries for power. Talk about versatility. The stainless steel flame tamers ensure even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. While this grill excels in performance and versatility, some users may find the assembly process a bit daunting. However, once you have this grill up and running, you'll love the endless cooking possibilities it offers. For a powerful, versatile gas grill that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, check out the Royal Gourmet GA5403B. You won't be disappointed. Still searching for the perfect gas grill? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Weber Genesis E325S. The Weber Genesis E325S is a powerhouse of a grill, offering 20% more cooking area than its closest competitor and an extra burner to create the perfect sear zone for your steaks. Sear multiple steaks at once on the extra large sear zone. This feature allows you to cook all your meat evenly and quickly, perfect for hosting a barbecue with friends and family. Expandable top cooking grate creates a second level of grilling, giving you the option to cook smaller items like veggies or seafood without taking up valuable space on the main grilling surface. Compatible with Weber-crafted accessories, the Genesis E325S gives you the flexibility to customize your grilling experience with additional frame and grillware options. The extra-large prep and serve table is a game-changer for outdoor cooking, providing ample space for all your ingredients, tools, and finished dishes in one convenient location. The new and improved pull-out grease tray makes cleanup a breeze, eliminating the hassle of dealing with drippings and residue after each use. While the closed cart design with double doors and 4 casters is a great feature for mobility, some users may find it bulkier than other models. Overall, the Weber Genesis E325SS is a top contender in the gas grill market, offering unmatched cooking space, heat output, and customization options for any grilling enthusiast. Check out the Weber Genesis E325S today to take your outdoor cooking to the next level. Number 2. Monument Grills. Larger 4-burner propane gas grills. With a whopping 72,000 BTUs of cooking power, this grill is a powerhouse in the world of backyard barbecues. The 4 main burners, 1 side burner, and 1 side sear burner ensure that you can grill up a storm for all your guests without any hiccups. The 723 square inches of total cooking area provide ample space for all your culinary creations, with 513 square inches for primary cooking and 210 square inches for keeping dishes warm. Plus, the large storage cabinet makes it easy to store your LP tank and grilling accessories. Keeping everything organized and within reach, LED control knobs add a touch of ambiance to your nighttime grilling sessions, while the electronic ignition system ensures easy burner starts every time. The stainless steel flame tamers guarantee even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked food with great flavors. While there were some cold spots on the grill affecting the char on the food, you can use them to your advantage for indirect cooking. Overall, the Monument Grill's larger 4-burner propane gas grill offers exceptional cooking power, ample space, and convenient features that make it a top choice for barbecue enthusiasts. Get ready to elevate your grilling game with this impressive gas grill. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Weber Spirit 2 E310. The Weber Spirit 2 E310 is the best gas grill on the market, offering top-notch performance and durability. The GS4 grilling system, with its improved ignition and burners, ensures a seamless cooking experience every time. The rust-proof cast aluminum firebox and porcelain enameled cooking grates guarantee that this grill will last for years to come. The 529 square inches of cooking space over 3 burners is perfect for cooking a full meal for your family, or grilling up a party-sized batch of burgers. The compact size of the grill makes it suitable for any patio or deck, while the open cart design provides ample space for tools and equipment. The built-in lid thermometer allows for precise temperature control, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. You'll love the convenience of the 6 tool hooks and large wheels, making it easy to move the grill around your outdoor space. Plus, the 30,000 BTU main burners with a fuel gauge provide plenty of power for all your grilling needs. The only downside is that the grill does not come with Grill 3 compatibility, but this can be easily remedied with a separate purchase. Overall, the Weber Spirit 2 E310 is a standout gas grill that excels in performance, durability, and convenience. If you're looking to take your grilling experience to the next level, this is the grill for you. Be sure to check it out and see for yourself why this grill is a cut above the rest. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best gas grills. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which gas grill you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.